We love it when we get new cars to wash. Our sister company's got this Porsche in for doing the wheels. They've not been nicked. We're refurbing them. So we thought, what a perfect opportunity to show what our products can do. Come with me. This week it's a Polymer shampoo. I have done a few on this already, but we're still getting questions about, is it bucket or is it snow foam lance? So we're going to show you how they work in both. We've got this Porsche here. As you can see, it's not a lot of hydrophobic effect on it, no wax or protection. So all we'll do, again, 50 to 100 ml in the bucket. It doesn't have a great sud effect because the waxes and lubricants that are in the actual product does break down the suds. However, it still gives you a nice smooth wash, and the smell is absolutely amazing. So as you can see, that's now got a nice hydrophobic layer on it. There's no smoke and mirrors, it's just a simple hand wash straight out of the bucket. Leave on for a couple of minutes while you wash the rest of the car, and then there you go, it's done its job. Feels lovely and smooth, and it gives you that nice dewatering effect that makes it so much easier to dry off. So the other way, obviously, put it through your snow foam gun. So I've got roughly about 500 ml of water. You don't need much, 25 ml, or a good glug. Give it a good mix up. You can see where we washed it before compared to where we're going to wash it now. It's important to still use a bucket just to wet the sponge up so that you're not just moving the dirt around. The advantage of this way is when it's warm like this, you do have a lot more product on the actual car to keep it cool, so you should have less soap marks. The advantage is you do have a lot more of the actual product on the car, so you should get a more superior hydrophobic effect. So once you've washed it, I always like to just keep it a little bit in the bottle just to give it a little bit of glaze afterwards. If you do have any soap marks and stuff on it, we'll just help get rid of them. There you go. You can already see on the windows where it's starting to sheet off. So even on the bonnet where we washed before, if we added it on as a glaze, it will just give you a better hydrophobic effect. The good thing as well, because you've now got good dewatering on there, the protective layer on the car is obviously rejected the water, so even easier to dry. So as you can see, no waxes, no hard graft, just simple car washing. What's left? It's absolutely amazing shiny surface.